Chickees. I hope you guys are having a splendid day. I am having like the best day ever considering I just got the keys for my new apartment, so I am so excited. So as you guys can probably tell from the title of this video, this is going to be a empty apartment tour of my new place. I moved from the Upper West Side of Manhattan down to Hudson Yards, which I am so excited about. I absolutely love Hudson Yards. And yeah, so I'm standing on my balcony right now filming this for you guys, and the lighting out here is a little weird right now. Like I can't really see what I'm doing in the camera, so hopefully this is coming out good. But yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, stay subscribed to my channel, and I'm gonna stop bullshitting and let's get into it. All right guys, so this is the door to the apartment. So this is where you enter. And then over here, this is one of the closets. This is going to be one of Paige's closets. Go over and open it up, and it has plenty of space. This is what it looks like. It has lots and lots of space, so yeah. Then you go across from there, and this is our kitchen. The kitchen looks a lot smaller than our current place, but I swear it's actually a lot bigger. It looks a lot smaller because it's like in its own little section of the apartment and not like an open space like our last one was, but there is so much more storage space in this one, so I'm super happy about that. So over here, this is our fridge, and then we have plenty of storage space up there and countertop space over here. Over here is the oven, once again, a lot of storage, the microwave, and then over here, more cabinets, our sink, and our little, you know, open space for cooking, and then we have a dishwasher and the little under the sink storage space. Right outside of the kitchen, there's just this little phone thing. This is just to call the front desk, so yeah. Okay, so after the little phone thing, then you get into the main space of the apartment. This is what it looks like. So basically, this is a 1-bedroom flex apartment, so we're putting in a flex wall, and the flex wall is going to divide this room in two. So we'll have our living room over here, and then the room where the windows are is going to be Paige's room. So obviously you guys will see that in the full apartment tour, but yeah, this is what it looks like. So this little space over here is going to probably be our, you know, living room, and then there's going to be the wall, and then this is technically what I'm standing in right now, Paige's room. So this is what it looks like. We have some beautiful floor to ceiling windows, and our AC is right over there, and yeah, super nice. And then when you go over here, as you guys could see, we have a freaking balcony, which is amazing, so I will go and show you guys that. Okay, so this is the outside of our balcony, and we have the best view. Do you guys see this? It looks so nice. I'm just like in awe. It's amazing. I love it. And this balcony is literally like gigantic, so yeah. So then you come over here, and this area is, well, this is a closet. This is going to be another one of Paige's closets. So you open it up, and the closets in this place are like huge, and they have amazing storage space. So this is what it looks like. Lots of shelving, super nice. Then past the closet, you come over here, and there are 2 doors here. So over there is our bathroom, and over here is my room. So I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom first. You come over here, and this is the bathroom, except the lights are off, so hello, let me turn them on. Okay, so this is the bathroom, so I will take you guys around. Okay, so here's our toilet, obviously, and I guess they gave us a new toilet, like a toilet seat cover, which is really nice. This is our mirror, which is obviously a lot nicer than our other place because we had like only 1 of these in our other bathroom, and now we have 3 of them, so that allows for like 10 times the storage space. I'm just gonna show you the inside of one of them just so you guys can get like an idea. This is what it looks like. And then over here is our sink, super nice marble countertops. And this is our bath-shower. And so yeah, the one thing that's, I mean, not annoying, but like different is that we gotta hang up an actual shower curtain, which in our other place we had glass. But we have a shower curtain, what's it called? Shower thing this time, so yeah. What's nice is that we have this little towel rack right here, and it's inside of here, which I like because that's how they have it at hotels, so it's super fancy. And then you walk out, and then this door brings you to my bedroom. There's Paige. So you walk into my room and this is what it looks like. This room is like really big. I'm super, super happy. So come over here. These are my windows and my room doesn't have access to the balcony, only Paige's does, but we did a little bit of like a trade-off. So her room has access to the balcony, but my room has a walk-in closet, which I will show you guys like now. It's funny because when you do like these empty apartment tours, there's like not much to show. So I'm just gonna go right to the closet now that you guys have seen, you know, the rest of the room. So this is what my closet looks like. Don't mind this. This I actually brought over. It's a level in my shoe rack, and so I gotta hang my shoe rack on the door. But for now, it's chilling in the closet. But this is what the full closet looks like. So as you guys can see, there is so much room in here, super spacious, and I am going to be able to fit so much in here. So I am very, very excited about that. But I mean, other than my closet, that's it for my room, and that's really it for the actual apartment. I do want to show you guys the amenities also, so I'll show you guys that in a bit. But guys, so first amenity, a laundry room. So obviously in our last apartment, we had like an actual laundry thing in the unit, but now we have a million of them in the basement, which honestly I prefer this so I could do several loads at once. So yeah, this is just what our laundry room kind of looks like. Okay, so here is half of the indoor rooftop. Super pretty. This is the other half. So it has this like super cool couch. I'm showing Raquel for the first time. So this is what it looks like. There's a TV and everything, and then we go outside. So here's the roof, and so we have a bunch of lounge chairs, just more outdoor seating and hangout areas and stuff. So yeah, there's the Empire State, and you can see down there when you go over here, there's like the World Trade Center down there, and obviously you just get a really nice overview of Hudson Yards. And yeah.
Hey Chickies, so basically I filmed this video about 2 weeks ago, and right now I am editing it. I'm filming this little clip on my phone. I totally forgot to film an outro for this video, but I thought I would take this moment right now to film an outro, but also update you guys on my apartment since filming this video. So this is just the empty apartment tour video. I'm gonna have an actual apartment tour up for you guys soon, as well as a moving vlog. I promise they are coming. The moving vlog is gonna go up first, and then it's gonna be the actual apartment tour, probably the apartment tour. I'm gonna say the apartment tour will be up sometime in November. The moving vlog is gonna be up like within a week. But as you guys can see, I'm still kind of moving in. I don't really have anything on my shelves behind me, but I put up this lovely brick print wallpaper, which we'll talk more about that in my moving vlog. But yeah, I spent the last few weeks that I wasn't on YouTube just kind of moving in and getting things together, and then I was also traveling and just trying to I don't even know, get my life together. I really feel like I've been a mess these past few weeks because of various things, but I feel a lot better now that I kind of have some consistency in my life. So with that being said, expect new content soon. I promise I have a lot of really exciting, great things coming for you guys. And yeah, I know that I take so many little YouTube breaks like without even notifying you guys, honestly, but I don't know. I want to be able to do YouTube, but also have, you know, a stable mindset. And if I need to take a break for a few weeks to do other things, then that's what I'm gonna do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little empty apartment tour video. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up, stay subscribed to my channel, and follow me on all my social media. My username is BeautyChickee everywhere. And then also make sure to go follow Tina Skincare on Instagram and Twitter. And make sure to purchase your Clarity Cleanser if you haven't already. It's a really great facial cleanser, and yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I want to finish editing this video, get it up for you guys. So I will talk to you in my next video. So with all that being said, ciao, ciao, chickies.